Students, in this video, we will solve question number 5 from book D3, right? And the unit is 5, right? Exercise 5A. So the question says the vertex of a triangle ABC, right? Vertex, they're talking about vertex. The vertex, you people know that means edges, okay? So they're talking about this one. This is the vertex, right? The corners, the three corners, because it's a triangle, so it has three vertex, right? So A, B, and C. So this one is A, B, and C. So their coordinates are giving to you. The A is -4 and -2, B is 8 -2, and C is 12, 6. So what we need to do, we need to find out the parameter. And you know that parameter means that all the sum of all these three sides, right? But we don't know the measurement, the length of these line segments, right? So I'm talking about from A to B, B to C, and C to A. So first of all, that we need to find out the length, right? So let's talk about what is the length of AB, or you can say distance from A to B. Distance from A to B. And we know that the formula. So what is the formula? To find out the distance, or you can say that the length of the line segment, the formula is, okay, this is solution, right? The formula is I'm talking about AB, right? So AB equals to under root x2 minus x1, right? And then plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, now are you going to find out? And we know that x2. So A and B, the coordinates of A are -4 and -2. So if I'm writing A coordinates -4 and -2. Here it is mentioned. Okay, and B coordinates are 8, -2. Sorry. Got it? So this one is x1, right? And this is y1. And the second coordinates is x2 and y2. Okay, now just substitute these values in this formula. So x2 here is 8 minus x1 is -4 the whole square, plus I'm substituting the values in this formula. So y2, what is y2? y2 is -2. Okay, minus itself in the formula, and y1 is -2. That is also -2, and square bracket and the whole square. Okay, let's solve. So the answer for the first one, this one. Okay, so this one is 8 minus, what is the answer of -4 the whole square? -4 the whole square is 16, because whenever it's an even power, the answer always comes in positive, because -4 times -4, 4 fours are 16. Okay, minus minus is plus. So here 8, okay, minus 16. Got it? And this one is plus. And here the answer for this one is -2, and minus minus is plus. So here -2 and +2, it gives you 0. So 0 to the power square is, it's 0. Okay, so you no need to write down, because the answer for the second one is 0. Now here 8 minus 16. Are you sure 8 minus 16 here? Let me check. 8, okay, and minus minus is plus, so it gives you 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, my bad, students. Here's 8 Okay, minus minus is plus 4. And then the square. Got it? 8 plus 4 gives you 12. 12 to the power square, it's 144. And we're going to find out the square root of 144. It's 12. Okay, so AB means what is the length of AB? It's 12 unit. Okay. Okay, we have found AB equals 12. Right? Now, let's find out AC. Okay, AB we have done. Now we're going to find out AC. So AC, same formula, x2 minus x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? When we're going to substitute the values, x2 is, because AC, the A coordinates are, check what are the A coordinates. Check in the question. The A coordinates are -4 and -2. Okay, right? And Y coordinates are, I'm talking about AC. So A coordinates are -4 and -2, and C coordinates are 12 and 6. Okay. So when we substitute in this formula, like x2 minus x1, so it will be, sorry, 2, okay, minus 4, and the square bracket is 2, plus sign 6 minus 2 and the whole square. Okay, let's solve it. The first one, the first answer, it gives you 2 minus plus 6 to the power square, and the second bracket is minus plus 8 to the power square gives you 64. Okay, so here uh, 36. Okay, so I'm doing it directly. So instead of here 6, I'm writing directly. Okay, I'm doing it directly. So answer is 100. Okay, let me scroll up. Answer is 100. And what is the square root of 100? The square root of 100 is 10. Okay, so this is 10 units. Okay, there is no unit. So just write down units here. And answer AC. Okay, we have found AB, which is 12 units, AC 10 units. Now find out BC. Okay, BC is the last line segment of the triangle. Okay, same formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right? Now substitute the values, right? B coordinates are 8 and -2, and C coordinates are 12 and 6. Okay, check the coordinates in the question and then substitute the values, x and y values in the formula. Okay, so here it is 2 minus 8 the whole square plus 6 minus 2 the whole square. When we solve it, 2 minus 8 gives you -6. -6 the whole square gives you 36. Okay, I'm doing it directly. And here 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 to the power square is 64. This is also 100. Right? 36 plus 64 gives you 100. And equals to 10 units. Got it? So we have found basically the length of 3 sides, right? So let me change it. The first side, AB, 12 units. right? BC was 10 units, and have you found, okay, AB was 12 units, BC was 10, and AC, that is also 10 units. Okay, units. And here also units. I forgot to write down units here. Now what we need to find out, the first part says you need to find out the parameter. Parameter means the sum of all the sides. So we just add all three of them, and the parameter of a triangle. What is the name of the triangle? The name of the triangle is ABC. So we add this 12 plus 10 plus 10. So it gives you 32, right? 32 what? 32 units. Okay, we have found the first part. Now the second part. The second part, you need to find out the area of triangle ABC. And what is the formula for the area of a triangle? We will learn in a previous grade. The formula is half times base into height, right? So half base, what is the base I'm giving to you? The measurement of the base. I'm talking about AB in the picture. Okay, so AB it's 12, right? And height is 8. When we solve it, 2 times 1, 2 times 6. 6 eights are 48 units. We have found the area is 48 units square. Why square? Because this is area. Got it? Now, second part that you need to find out, the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. So from A to BC, we don't know now, so we assume that it's going to be X, right? So the formula here, area of triangle ABC equals to 48 units. We have just found unit square. Okay, so the area of a triangle is half, okay, into base into height is equals to 48. We need to find out the length, na? So we are going to find out what height. Height is the length. Okay, so half times base BC. Okay, the base is BC, right? Because it's written in the question from A to BC. So the BC is your base, and the measurement is 10, and height we don't know, so we assume that it's going to be X. Okay, so here 2 times 1, 2 times 5, 5x equals to 48, right? So X is equals to 48 divided by 5 gives you 9.6. So 9.6 units. You just write down the statement. What would be the statement? The statement will be, therefore, the length of the perpendicular from A to BC is 9.6 centimeter. Okay. I hope that students, you people understood this question. Thank you for watching.